Welcome viewers. In this video we'll see the design of 4 line to 16 line decoder using 2 to 4 decoders. 2 to 4 decoder. We know that decoder is a device having n input and 2 to the power n output. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. The decoder is n input with 2 to the power n output. Here n is 4 and output is 2 to the power 4 16. 4 inputs and 16 output. We need to design 4 inputs with 16 output decoder using 2 input with 4 different output decoders. Right. So here 16 outputs are available. Here the output is 4 outputs. So we need 4 numbers. 4 numbers of 2 to 4 decoders are needed. So 4 into 4 will get 16 output. Right. Here how many inputs are there? If A, B, C, D. 4 inputs are available. Then 16 output. This 16 output will get 4 into 4 number of decoders. So we'll get 16 output. Then what about the inputs A, B, C, D? We are giving C and D. The LSB. The LSB, least significant bit, is given to input of all 4 decoders. C and D are given to input of all 4 decoders. These 4 decoders are selected by one more decoder. We need one more decoder in order to select these 4 decoders. That is decoder 1. So that is also one of the 2 to 4 decoder. In that A and B is given as a input. Right. So out of 4 input, C and D is given to these 4 decoders in order to produce 4 into 4 16 outputs. To control these 4 decoder, we are using one more decoder. 2 to 4, one more decoder. In that we are using the remaining inputs A and B. A and B 2-digit 4 combination. 0 0 means we will select the second decoder. 0 1 means we will select third decoder. 1 0 means we will select fourth decoder. 1 1 means we will select fifth decoder. So we can select this out of 4 decoder based on this combination. Now we'll see the logic diagram. So this is the first decoder. We are giving A and B as a input. So we are getting 4 different outputs, D0, D1, D2, D3. This D0 is connected to the second decoder. When D0 is enabled, the D0 output is there, means the second decoder will be enabled. So that will get 4 different output. That is from D0 to D3. Suppose D1 is enabled. D1 is high output, means the third decoder will be enabled. So that we will get the output D4 to D7. D0 to D3 already available here. D4 to D7. At that time only one decoder will be enabled. Either this or that. Suppose this D2, the third combination. D2 is high level, means the decoder 4 is enabled. So that we will get the output from D8 to D11. Suppose D3 is enabled, will the fourth decoder, fifth decoder is enabled. So that will get the output from D15, D12 to D15. Right. So totally we are having 15. So here 5 decoders are available. The first decoder is used to select out of 4 decoder for the 4 different combinations. The inputs are A and B. Right. So based on this value, these 4 decoders will be selected. So 4 into 4, 16 output will get. Then C and D is given to all the decoder. All the decoders are connected with the LSB input C and D. Right. So now it is very clear. In order to get the 16 output, we are using 4 numbers of 2 to 4 decoders. So that we are getting 16 output. The least significant bit is given as a input C and D. To select these 4 decoder, we have one more decoder is available. That is numbered as now decoder 1. For that we are giving AB, MSB. So this first decoder will select the, out of this 4 decoder, it will select any one. So that will get the output. Right. Now we'll see the logic diagram. Now we'll see the logical truth table. So that we go for the further understanding. So this is the truth table available. The inputs A, B, C, D. There are 4 inputs. This is the 16 different outputs starting from D0 to D15. Right. We already know that this AB is given to the decoder 1. That is a selecting decoder. CD is given to the 4 different decoders, right? So AB having four combinations 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Again CD having 4 combinations 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So totally will get 16 different output, right? Suppose AB is equal to 0. AB equal to 0 0 means second decoder is selected. Other decoders are disabled. Only the second decoder is selected, will get the output from D0 to D3. Remaining outputs are 0. Remaining decoders are disabled. Only decoder 2 is enabled, will get the 4 different output. Decoder 3, 4, 5 all are disabled, will get 0 output, right? So A and B 0 0 mean decoder 2 selected will get the output from D0 to D3. How will get the output from D0 to D3? That is based on CD value. CD is 0 0, D0 will be 1, other are 0. 0 1, D1 will be 1, other digits are 0. 1 0, D2 is digit D2 is 1, other digits are 0. 1 1, D3 will be 1, other digits are 0, right? So based on this CD value, 2 digit 4 combination, we are getting 4 different outputs. All remainings are 0. Now the next case for AB. If AB is 0 1, what happened? Decoder 3 will be enabled. We'll get the output from D4 to D0. All other decoders are disabled. See this, only this third decoder is enabled. Second decoder, third decoder, second decoder, fourth and fifth decoders are disabled, right? Now how will get the data from D0 to D7? Again 4 combination. 0 0 means D4 will be 1. 0 1 means D5 will be 1, other digits are 0. 1 0 means D6 will be 1, other digits are 0. 1 1 means D7 will be 1, other digits are 0. So that we are getting 4 different output based on the CD value, right? Now we'll go to the next combination of AB. 1 0. Suppose AB is 1 0. AB is 1 0. We'll see what happened. AB is 1 0 means fourth decoder is selected. So we'll get the output from D0, D8 to D11. Right? The second decoder is disabled, third decoder also disabled, only fourth decoder is enabled, fifth decoder also disabled. Right? Now how will get this D8 to D11? Based on the CD value. 0 0 means D8 will be 1, other digits are 0. 0 1 means D9 will be 1, other digits are 0. 1 0 means D10 will be 1, other digits are 0. 1 1 means D11 will be 1, other digits are 0. So we are getting 4 different output. Now the fourth combination of AB 1 1 mean decoder 5, last decoder will be selected, will get the output from D9, this D12 to 12 13 14 15, D12 to D15. Right? How will get this D12 to D15? Based on CD value. CD is 0 0 means D12 is 1, other digits are 0. 0 1 means D13 will be 1, other digits are 0. 1 0 means D14 will be 1, other digits are 0. 1 1 means D15 will be 1, other digits are 0. Right? The second decoder, third decoder, fourth decoder, all are disabled, will get the 0 output. Right? So finally we are getting the 16 different outputs are available. Starting from here, we'll get the 16 different outputs. Starting from D0 to D15, we are getting 16 different outputs, right? So this AB is used to select the decoder, either decoder 2, 3 or 4, 5. This CD is giving the 4 different combinations, right? D0, D1, D2, D3 like that. So that we are getting 16 different outputs. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.